We fully condemn this cowardly act and will never forgive the enemies of Pakistan, China's all-weather strategic cooperative partnership. We will also not allow anyone to harm our ironclad friendship. The sacrifice of both Chinese and Pakistanis in nurturing our bonds of brotherhood will not be in vain. We will always cherish and honor the sacrifices that have enabled us to forge a community of shared future in the new era. I also avail myself of this opportunity to pledge ourselves to doing whatever is in our capacity to ensure the safety and maximum security of our Chinese friends in Pakistan. You are our guests, and we are determined to ensure your safety and comfort in our country. To the families of those who perished, our entire nation grieves with you. While we cannot bring back the departed, we will not rest until we have given exemplary punishment to the perpetrators of this heinous act. The all-weather strategic cooperative partnership between Pakistan and China is time-tested and timeless. As always, we will face every challenge together and emerge even stronger.